How much water should a Great Dane drink daily? Great Danes are one of the largest dog breeds around, known for their majestic appearance and gentle temperament. With their massive size, it is crucial to ensure that these dogs stay well hydrated at all times. Water is a vital component for their overall well-being and maintaining good health. But how much water should a Great Dane drink daily? In this article, we will delve into this topic and explore the key factors to consider when determining the appropriate water intake for these magnificent creatures. First and foremost, it is important to understand that the water requirements for a Great Dane can vary depending on various factors, such as their age, weight, activity level, and the climate they reside in. Puppies, for instance, may need more water compared to adult Great Danes due to their rapid growth and higher energy expenditure. Similarly, a Great Dane living in a hot and humid climate will require more water to prevent dehydration. On average, an adult Great Dane should drink between 2 to 3 liters of water per day. However, this is just a general guideline, and it is always essential to assess each dog individually. Some Great Danes may require slightly more or less water depending on their specific needs. As a responsible pet owner, it is crucial to pay attention to any signs of dehydration or excessive thirst. One way to determine whether your Great Dane is adequately hydrated is by observing their urine. If their urine is light yellow or clear, it indicates that they are well hydrated. On the contrary, if their urine appears dark, it may indicate dehydration. Additionally, monitoring their skin elasticity can also be a helpful indicator. Gently pinch a small area of their skin. If it quickly returns to its original shape, it suggests proper hydration. However, if the skin takes longer to snap back into place, it may be a sign of dehydration. When it comes to providing water for your Great Dane, it is essential to consider the quality of the water as well. Clean and fresh water should always be readily available to them. Ensure that the water bowl is clean and free from any contaminants. It is advisable to change the water a few times a day, especially during hot weather, as it can easily become stagnant or warm. Great Danes, like any other breed, prefer cool and clean water. Having multiple water sources in different areas of your house is also a good idea. This allows them easy access to water, regardless of where they are in the house. It is not uncommon for Great Danes to develop a habit of drinking excessive water rapidly, so providing multiple water sources will ensure they can always hydrate as needed. Furthermore, incorporating wet food into their diet can also contribute to their daily water intake. If your Great Dane consumes wet food, they will be getting some hydration from their meals. However, this should not replace the need for fresh water. Water is still vital to keep them sufficiently hydrated, even if they are getting moisture from their food. Apart from the quantity of water, it is also essential to pay attention to the way your Great Dane drinks. Unlike some other breeds, Great Danes can be prone to a condition called gastric dilation volvulus, GDV, or bloat. This potentially life-threatening condition can occur if they consume too much water too quickly. To avoid this, it is recommended to offer water in smaller quantities throughout the day or consider investing in a slow-feed water bowl. These bowls have various design features that encourage dogs to drink at a slower pace, reducing the risk of bloat. In conclusion, ensuring that your Great Dane drinks an adequate amount of water daily is vital for their overall health and well-being. However, it is crucial to consider various factors such as age, weight, activity level, and climate when determining the appropriate water intake. On average, an adult Great Dane should drink between 2 to 3 liters of water per day. Monitoring their urine and skin elasticity can also help determine their hydration status. Providing clean and fresh water in multiple locations is crucial, and incorporating wet food into their diet can contribute to their water intake. Lastly, being mindful of how they drink and taking precautions to prevent bloat is essential. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your Great Dane stays sufficiently hydrated and healthy.